Hey guys, long time no see. No, it just feels that way. I haven't like picked up the camera to vlog in such a long time. But today's kind of really random, out of the blue, and we weren't planning this. But I'm currently sitting in my mom's car because Joseph has the truck because he got a new truck. So we just said our goodbyes. I'm about to go meet him at the dealership. We had been planning to get a new truck, but we just didn't know that it was going to happen right now. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully once Joseph is here and stuff, he can show you guys around and all of that fun stuff that you guys want to see. So I'm gonna go meet him there and I'll see you guys in a minute. Saying goodbye. Are you sad to say goodbye? You're excited? No. So many good memories. It won't seem real to me until we leave. It what?
It won't seem real to me until we leave.
I know. It's crazy. So crazy. It's been an awesome truck. Bye.
One. Why it's no.
Learning curve.
Did I get a big one?
Yes.
I finally can be in the big one club?
Oh, mama. Where's Jeremiah? There you are!
Whoa!
Look at the truck, bud.
Whoa! I love you, Mommy.
I think you're just excited that Daddy's home.
How to get out. Bye-bye. Bye. Yay, we caught a fish.
I definitely didn't think we were going to catch anything. That was cool. Little baby fish.
Put it down. Can I try, Jeremiah? Yeah, try. Just try. Watch where you're stepping, bud.
You can go up to where the grass changes. It starts getting softer. Once you start feeling it sink a little bit, stop. But when the grass... The super baby one, you see it?
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh
I don't even know if that's a fish right there.
Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The last time we did our kind of Q&A video and we talked about how we wanted to keep exploring our backyard, but we didn't want to take up any RV spots. Well, we just went on like a little day trip and we tried to go to
Slide Rock.
Yeah.
And off of Oak Creek Canyon Road in Sedona. We left way too late for that, so it was packed. If you are going, especially with the whole COVID-19 thing going on right now, go early as you can that it's open. We saw people parking miles away, walking down to the Slide Rock area. So we left and we came out to here, and we ended up at, what is this?
Dead Horse Ranch
State Park.
Yes.
It's in Cottonwood, Arizona, not too far from Camp Verde, Arizona.
It's getting hot.
It's super quiet, super
It is
peaceful,
really quiet.
even with the crowds out at state parks with the whole COVID-19 thing. It's not overwhelming. Like we did like a picnic, and it was chill. We're still kind of walking around, exploring, and it's super quiet for everything that's going on.
Yes.
We're gonna keep going, and we'll check back in with you guys.
So if you saw the title of this video, then you know we kind of have a big announcement, or he has a big announcement.
It's not a big announcement. It's
Yes, it is.
It's just life. So we added a new addition to our setup.
We did.
We talked about it before. We were gonna shop for rigs, possibly switch rigs. Well, we had to take a step towards our new rig,
Yes.
and we got a new truck.
Yes, we weren't planning on going new. Just
No.
kind of happened. But we're so excited and like just can't wait to hook up something to the
Definitely
back
a
of it.
blessing.
Yeah.
It's a dream truck, so it's like I never thought I
you,
would
buddy.
be buying anything like this.
Yeah.
But it's gonna work out for our new setup. Everything's for preparation for that, and
Yes.
whatever we decide, because right now I really don't have a clue of what route we're gonna go. All I know is it's gonna be towed. So
I'll play like a few clips from when we got the truck, and then for anybody who is more interested in like the details of the truck and
all the mods that's gonna
Yes.
go on. If you're a gearhead, like wrenching, that type of stuff, this truck will be built out. So everything coming with the truck and all the mods between the truck and whatever new rig we get will be covered on my channel.
Yes, he has a new channel, so I'll link that down below. Our kids are getting antsy, but we would love for you guys to go, if you haven't already subscribed to us, you can go and follow through our 7, almost 8 month full-time journey, and then go subscribe to him if you want to see more like truck videos and just daily vlog stuff like that. But we're super excited for all the new things that are happening, and we thank you guys for watching. This is a super short video, but we wanted to get something up for you. So until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.